Karnataka CET results are out. Your rank is in your hand. But here comes the real test. Choice filling. You have got one chance to list your preferences in a way that could shape your next 4 years and maybe your entire career. Yet, most students fall into a dangerous trap. They follow the herd mentality. They choose the popular branch or college, not what truly fits them. In this video, I'll take you step-by-step process of how to research, analyze, and strategically fill your college and branch choices, not based on what everyone else is doing, but based on what suits you the best. We will burst few myths, expose common mistakes, and give you a personalized action plan. So, stay till the end. Do you like videos that actually help you think clearly about your career? Then hit subscribe now and let us get you a better engineering college. Before you even log into the KCET portal, build your college and branch wish list. Build this combination by deep diving into the aspects of branch selection and college selection, which I'm going to tell you in the upcoming sections. Let us pause here for a moment, because the most important choice is not the college, but the branch you are about to commit 4 years of your life to. But sadly, most students don't choose it. They just follow the herd. Computer science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. Sounds fancy, right? But are they right for you? Let us make this decision scientifically and psychologically. Step number 1, know yourself, your interests and aptitude. Start by asking what subjects excite you. Do you love solving logical puzzles? That is a green flag for computer science or electronics and communications. Are you fascinated by machines or engines? That could point towards mechanical or mechatronics. Step number 2, understand the nature of each branch. Don't go by branch name alone. For example, electronics and communication isn't just about electronics. It involves a lot of signal processing and mathematics. Civil engineering is not just about buildings. It's about planning, load distribution, and sustainability. Download the syllabus of the branch you are interested in and check if the subjects mentioned you enjoy learning. And if the answer is yes, then it is the most suitable engineering branch for you. Step number 3, match personality type to branch culture. Believe it or not, each branch has its own vibe. Some are more research oriented, others industry driven. Some require teamwork, others independent problem solving. For example, if you are detail oriented and introvert, then computer science or electronics and communication might suit you. And if you are hands-on person and like outdoor work, then civil engineering or mechanical engineering will suit you. If you enjoy biology and technology, then biomedical or biotech is most suitable for you. Step number 4, visualize your career, not just the campus. Imagine your life 5 years later. Would you enjoy coding 8 hours a day? Or do you prefer managing real-world projects? Your daily job tasks should excite you. Explore roles such as software engineer, structural engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, automobile engineer, and check which role is exciting for you. Step number 5, avoid the herd mentality trap. Don't choose computer science because your cousin did. Don't choose data science because it's trendy. The top 10% students of every branch does well, provided they enjoy it. And don't just ask what is trending now. Ask where is the industry going in 4 years from now. After choosing the right branch, now the next step is to select a right college for the branch. Don't just pick a college based on rank or location. Dive deeper. Search for faculty credentials, published research, specialized labs, and joint ventures with industry. For instance, Electronics and Communication branch at RVCE Bangalore may lead in VLSI systems, while Mechanics excels in manufacturing focused research. So, what all you need to consider while selecting a college? Number 1. Academic reputation. Do not focus on the overall ranking of the college, but focus on the ranking of your chosen branch. Number 2. Branch specific placements. Branch placement data is very vital. A college might advertise 90% placements overall, but if mechanical has only 50%, that nuance is critical. Try to get the placement data for your chosen branch. Number 3. Faculty and labs. Engineering is hands-on. Verify whether the college offers sufficient lab time, if it has modern equipment and incubation cells, or provides live projects or programs. Visit the college website and check if they have professors in your areas of interest and if labs are modern and accessible. Location matters not just for the appeal but for the day-to-day opportunities. Bangalore, Mysore, and Mangalore robust technical ecosystem. Compare that with rural campuses, less hype but often quieter and cheaper. Colleges like RV, BMS, PES, all based in Bangalore, provide exposure to internship, startup culture, and corporate connections. And point number 5 is alumni network. A strong alumni base can open doors for mentorship talks, internships, and global exposure. Check platforms like LinkedIn for alumni strength in your intended branch. Do not choose a college or branch just because your neighbor's son did or your friends are going there. Herd mentality kills the potential. Choose strategically, not socially. You could pick a top ranked college, but miss out on placement and branch synergy. So, let us avoid that with actual strategy. Build a personalized rank optimized list. Use Excel or Google Sheet to build a priority matrix. Suggested columns are college name, branch name, last year cutoff, location, fee, and personal rating. Assign personal ratings after research and create a preference list in a descending order of personal rating. You might think KCET choice filling is just ticking off names from the list. But here is the truth. How you order your branch and college choices can make or break your admission. Get it wrong? You might end up paying lakhs more, or traveling to remote towns, or stuck in a branch that doesn't excite you. All because you just did not put your preferences in the right order. KCET's algorithm is straightforward. It goes down your list, top to bottom, and gives you the first seat you are eligible for based on your rank and category. So the order of your choices must reflect your true preference, not a random guess. Not what your friends are doing, and not what looks good alphabetically. Now that you have done your homework, let's talk about how to arrange your preferences. Break down your preference list into 3 clearly defined zones: dream tier, realistic tier, and backup tier. Dream tier contains the list of ambitious choices. These choices will be at the top of your list. This will contain the list of colleges and branches you would love to get into, but your current rank is slightly higher than previous year's closing rank. Even if you think that you can't get into a top college, place your dream choices at the top. Because there is no penalty for dreaming. If you don't qualify, the system will move to the next choice. But in case you qualify and did not include it high enough, you will miss out. It is like applying for your dream job. You may not expect a reply, but if you don't send the application, you never stand a chance. The next zone is realistic tier, which will have most probable matches. This will contain the list of college and branch combinations where your rank is within the safe margin of the previous year's round 1 or round 2 closing ranks for your category. This is your sweet spot, your comfort zone. Most students will be allotted a seat from this group. This part of your list needs to be long and well researched. Include location preferences, match your budget comfort zone like government quota seats, private quota seats, or SNQ seats. Balance academic strength and placement data. The last zone is backup tier. This will contain choices which are safe and acceptable. These choices should appear at the end of your list. Do not underestimate this tier. When competition increases, cutoff trends will spike. These options will protect you from ending up with nothing. But only include options you are actually willing to join. Do not list some unheard of college 600 kilometers away just to fill the list. If you get allotted to that college and don't want it, then you will either lose your security deposit or waste a round. Last year's cutoff data is your best friend, but only if you use it wisely. If your rank is 8500 and last year's cutoff of a college was 8000, then do not panic. This year, in round 2 or round 3, you might be able to just make it. Include it in realistic tier. Top mistakes which students make are: number 1, choosing based on peer pressure or college popularity alone. Number 2, ignoring branch interests in favor of crowd trends. Number 3, not checking cutoffs for their specific category. Number 4, not taking mock allotment very seriously. And at the end, not locking the choices, which means your list is ignored. KCET choice filling is not a game of luck. It is a game of planning. With good research, smart list, and personalized strategy, you will not just get a seat, you will get the right seat for you. Say no to herd mentality. Say yes to your future. Here is your post-video to-do list. Perform a deep research of 10 plus college branch combination. Build your dream, realistic, and backup list. Analyze category cutoffs and data points. And at the end, align with fees and affordability. Was this video helpful? Comment below with your branch and rank. I will suggest a few choices. At the end, if you have found value here, like this video. Subscribe this channel for more career success videos and share it with your friends who are filling KCET or need to. This is Pata Suchaka, and I believe your strategy can change not only your seat but your future. See you in the next video. If you are still confused about selecting a right engineering branch, then connect with me. I'll help you out.